How to recover TikTok streak. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up TikTok. Now at the bottom right corner, click on profile. Currently, there is no direct way to recover TikTok streak. The only possible way is tap on the three lines. Now click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down. Now click on report a problem. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on chat with us. Now type a now type a message asking to recover your TikTok streak. And tap on send. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.